Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today it's a very short video. Many guys have asked me how to invert a Tradingview chart, how you can reverse. Right now if you take a look at this chart, let me show you on the daily one here. If we take a look at this chart, for example, and you want to invert this chart, how you can do it? It's very simple, very easy. All you have to do is, just let me delete. All you have to do is on your right side, you will see this price chart, okay, price bar. On the downside you're gonna see the date chart, okay, but right on the corner, on the top, not on the downside, right down, okay, bottom right, okay, here, just try to see this one, okay, this one, just click on it. It's a setting button, okay, click on it. Then from there you're gonna see here invert scale, okay, just click on it. The shortcut button is Alt plus I. Just click on it, okay, just keep an eye on the chart. You see here the chart has been inversed and the price is now inverse as well. Now you can, many guys have they used to draw the charts inversely, okay. The other thing is you can use the Alt plus I. So I'm gonna use Alt plus I. Simple, okay, Alt plus I, Alt plus I, okay. So this way you can easily invert your Tradingview chart. So this was a simple trick on how to invert your Tradingview chart. So that was a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.